Hey, what's up guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you an unboxing of the new MSD spark plug performance spark plugs I got for my 2009 Toyota Yaris. These are better than the regular NGK spark plugs that come equipped on most modern cars, especially on the Yaris. I decided I'm gonna upgrade, especially since I'm doing upgrades to the engine and everything, so everything is pretty much slowly losing all the factory parts and gaining performance parts. And I'm gonna try to get everything documented on video as many guys requested. For the whole reason I'm starting this whole YouTube thing, so I'm trying to get into the whole YouTube thing, getting used to recording what I'm doing to the car and everything else. But I appreciate you guys for watching my videos, keeping up with me with the videos, staying tuned with all the updates I'm doing to the car, cool stuff I'm doing that you don't normally see people do to yours, whatever. But on to the unboxing. So this is a 4-pack. If you don't know, the Yaris comes with 4 spark plugs, or one NZ FE engines have 4 spark plugs. So pretty much there's any car running the 1NZ FE engine, it's going to use the same exact spark plugs as this. So in the front of the packaging, you got the QR code. You just scan that with your phone's camera. Delivers twice the power. Premium. I don't know how to pronounce that, so I'm not even going to try pronouncing that. Copper core for maximum durability, optimized for high power engine. Sorry. And these are iridiums. And versus conventional 10K resistor plugs. Let's go to the side of the packaging. Got the address, their phone number, the website, LLC. Here's the back. So pretty much gives you a breakdown diagram of all the parts that make up the spark plug. So high density ceramic insulator is here. 3-layer copper glass seal is here. 1-piece shell construction. Sensor electro copper core. Superior zinc nickel corrosion anti-seize electroplated. This is a good thing, as if you don't change spark plugs on your car, or it's your first time, whatever, what this means is you're not going to need to put NICs around the threads like you normally do, like on older spark plugs. So if you're installing these on your car, you don't need NICs around the threads. So iridium tip core improves durability and heat dissipation. Pre-got cutback ground strap. And I'm not even going to pronounce that. Alloy with internal copper core. And this is a good thing too. So if you're not sure of the torque specs, the diameter thread, it has all of that listed here. If it has a gasket, without a gasket. If you got a cast iron cylinder head, these are the torque specs. If you got aluminum, here are the torque specs. And for this one specifically, it's this one, 14 millimeter, and it's 18 to 24 foot-pounds. This is going to be for the Yaris. What else we got on the packaging? So here's a little diagram. Ain't really descriptive. Just showing you pictures. So if it's your first time doing this, you probably ain't gonna know what the hell to do based on this diagram. But I'm gonna try doing a install video Here's the part number 37254. I got these from AutoZone. It's $26 and change after taxes, 28 and change. You can also get it from their website directly. It's also the same price. Those are the two places you get this the cheapest. On eBay, it's like $30, and other websites a little more. What else is here? Barcode. Part number again. So let's open this up. They got the 4 spark plugs in here. I'm just gonna open one up. So, oops. So here's the spark plug. MSD performance, you can see 7 IR5Y. Let's take this off. This is the full spark plug. So anyway, it's not unboxing unless you unbox everything. So I'm just gonna take all of them out, even though you already know what it looks like now. That I took the first one out. So there you go. All 4 spark plugs. So like I said before, I'm gonna try to do an install video. I'm gonna get a tripod soon. That way I can do install videos on everything I'm doing. But in the meantime, just bear with me. I'm doing all the stuff with one hand, holding the camera, and then trying to do stuff with the other. But I'm gonna try to get the tripod. That way I can record everything a whole lot better. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.